Heartfelt greetings from Manipur, India, to each and everyone who are present here today to share our loss and griefs of the untimely death of my beloved husband, Reverend Dr. Robinson S. JOUTE. My family and I are very grateful to all of you for your unconditional love and support despite knowing the danger of this pandemic and the need to maintain social distancing. We give special thanks to Cambodia MIZO community, Mr. Sopeg and family, Indian Embassy, and all our good friends for all the sacrifices you have made when my husband's body could have been left there without anyone to care for him. But you have shown us that we are not alone during this difficult time. The time has come to say goodbye to my dear husband and to lay his body in peace. Even though we couldn't be there physically, yet our hearts and thoughts are there with you all. We will always remember the unconditional love and gifts that you have rendered to me and my family for the rest of our lives. Once again, my profound appreciation goes to all of you for your selfless love and support. May God be with you, guides you, and keeps you all safe. From the family who receives your love, Joyce and her children. Final words from Joyce to her husband, Reverend Dr. Robinson S. JOUTE. My beloved husband, I'm not as strong as I thought I was. Our time together was short-lived, but the joys and happiness we share will last a lifetime. I can no longer see you nor hold you with my hands, but I'll always hold you in my heart until I can hold your hands again in heaven. I know I haven't told you enough how much I love you, how important you are, and how wonderful it was having you. Life will never be the same without you. Your beloved wife, Joyce.